going all the way down there. So our quest for the best beach house in Hilton Head has brought us to Hilton Head Resort. Um, I am on the tennis court because it's surrounded by one of four buildings here in Hilton Head Resort. This place is mammoth. The unit I want is somewhere on the fourth floor, so I'll go try to find it. There are four of these buildings, like I said. Two are enclosed. One of which has an indoor swimming pool. Um, it's some kind of resorty thing. We'll try to find it, try to video it. Two are open air like this. One has the tennis courts, which we're standing on, and another has a swimming pool, which we will hopefully be able to find and take a look at as well. So we'll go find the unit. We'll go find the amenities. This is a beach front and ocean front resort. So we'll take a walk out to the ocean and show you that. We'll get a good idea as to whether or not this is one of the best on the island. To be determined. Well, in my search to find the unit, I did find one outdoor pool. Now it's December, so it's closed and I can't get in, but there is a second one inside of the courtyard of one of these units. But we do have a secondary pool here, which is great. Two pools, better than one. Well, the good news is that there's an elevator. It took me a second to get there and find it, but I did find it. Bad news is I think it puts me on the opposite side of the building as to where the unit is that I want to go to. Pretty sure the unit I want is way over there in that corner. So take a walk, we'll see. Once we get there, we'll take a look at it. So of course I picked the wrong elevator. So we got inside. This is a great little condo. So behind me, let's travel backwards. You can see the kitchen, just a little galley kitchen. But look, when you're on vacation and you're essentially in a rental style unit, that's all you need. You got stainless steel, you got nice updated cabinets, a nice faucet, all pretty good. Got a little table right here, be able to eat, a little pull-out couch and sofa, and then if I can show you, like TV, right? So we're just gonna sit, hang out, family room. You've got two bedrooms in this unit, one of which here, master bedroom, it has its own bathroom, sleeps two. And then you've got another unit over here in the hallway. You've got sleeps 2, 3, 4 in there, plus the sofa. So that's 6, 8. You can sleep up to 8 people in this unit, and be a beachfront, beach-oriented condo. That makes a lot of sense from an investment standpoint. One thing I noticed, we are in the first building as you come into the community. So it is, I think it's building number 4. I'm assuming it goes 4, 3, 2, 1 to get closer to the beach. We're on the 4th floor, nice view. But right behind us there, that's 278. That is the main road on Hilton Head Island. It is loud. So if you're going to spend any time on the balcony, if you're going to open the windows for any reason, you're gonna have some street noise coming from that road. Otherwise, this is a pretty nice unit, and I can see how this would be a phenomenal rental opportunity here at the beach. So that property is listed at under $300,000. According to the listing, they bring in about $30,000 in rental income, and I can see why. 2 bedroom, 2 bath, sleeps 8. It's beach oriented, and I say beach oriented. I'll show you where there is nothing between these units and the beach, but there is a very long marsh area with a bridge that goes across. It's quite a distance. There is a little beach buggy, like a golf cart, that runs that bridge often and brings people to and from, but it's a little bit far. You're not going to have oceanfront views from this unit. So anyway, you're looking at less than $300,000 for that unit. It's going to make you about $30,000 a year in rental income. And then monthly fees are just under $500, $480 to take care of the condo community and all those things. So overall, math probably makes sense on this property. As an investment property, as a second home, location-wise, you're in the middle of the island. It's hard to, there's a bike path out on 278, but it's not super easy bikeable, although, you know, people do it all the time. 278 is just a busy, kind of scary road. So overall, investment side makes sense. Second home side, I don't know. If the money's right and that's what you want, then I guess it makes sense. So I'm trying to follow signs to get to the indoor pool, the outdoor pool, and now I'm back in the parking lot somehow. So I'm gonna keep searching and hopefully come across it. When I do, we'll all take a look together. But for now, I'm gonna keep following signs that I don't see anymore. Success! Found the outdoor pool. It's in building number 1, just for your reference. It's actually pretty cool. The building is not quite as big, still looks big, but not quite as vast as building number 4 was. You've got a little restaurant behind us here at the pool. You've got an outdoor bar at the pool, and then you've got restroom facilities here at the pool as well. So really, you know, when I saw this on pictures, I thought, man, that looks a little cheesy. Being here though, not too bad. Now you're surrounded by the buildings and there's a heavy echo, and I'm sure it's loud as all get out in the summertime when there's a lot of people here. But overall, I don't know, sun's shining, it's blue water. Not too bad. I'm not disappointed. Let's go find the indoor swimming pool, hopefully. So we're inside of building 2 on our search for the indoor swimming area. I thought for sure that building right there in the middle was going to be it, but I can't find access. It does look like there's a little sun deck on top, so unless I'm going to rappel straight down into a swimming pool, which I don't think is going to be the case, I figure we'll walk up here and check out this little sun deck. But I think that's all that this thing is just a little deck to hang out on in the middle of the resort. Yeah, that's all it is. You can see down. We're on the sun deck. It's the middle of winter, so it's not really fascinating. There's a little volleyball court down below on the other side. We're gonna find that indoor pool. No, I found it. So you got a little running track. We are inside building number 3. And it's what you would think it is. It's a wacky indoor, just kind of like, I don't even know how to explain it. There's a swimming pool, hot tub, just big, vast, wide open areas. Have you ever been in a hotel that has an indoor pool inside where, you know, you can see, just like all the others, all the rooms are around it? It has that same feel. It has the smell of a chlorinated pool. There's some bathrooms. I kind of like the indoor walking track. It's pretty cool. It's another, there's another like sun deck thing. Obviously there's no sun, but some kind of deck up there. Overall, I'm sure you're coming here with the family, the kids probably would find this fascinating. I, as an adult, find it a little questionable, but it's all about the kids. We do have a little bit of a workout area right here. We've got some ellipticals, some treadmills, a little universal machine inside. So you want to get your workout on while you're at the beach, you can do it all right here. Overall, not too bad. Let's go to the beach now. Well, I found myself in another parking lot. I'm sure once you're here for a little while, it's not as hard and you know where you're going, but I am been lost more times here than I've been lost in the last, I don't know, year. I think the beach is this way. That's what the sign said anyway, but it was a laminated, printed, Keller printer sign, so it didn't look very official. We'll find it. I'm pretty sure I found it. All you gotta do is walk around all 4 buildings. I actually walked back through that place twice, but we're here. There's definitely a little shuttle pickup, which is interesting because this boardwalk is not very wide. So I would assume when that shuttle comes, they're like hanging onto the sides here. Mentioned before, this is technically oceanfront. There's nothing between these homes or these places and the ocean, but this boardwalk is like forever long. Here, I'll show you. We're going all the way down there. You can see that there are some homes right there on the beach. They have nothing to do with this resort. Yeah, we'll show you how far away the resort is once we get there. There is a very cool beach bar down here, so we'll take a look at it. I'm sure it's closed, but the walk itself is pretty beautiful. You're walking out over, you know, marshy land. I'm sure this is tidal, so sometimes it's wetter than it is right now, and I'm sure it's full of different wildlife, birds and all kinds of stuff when we're in a normal summer season. So we'll get to the beach, we'll show you the bar, we'll show you the sand and the waves, we'll show you how far away we are and how much walking we've done. That'll probably wrap up our tour. I'll let you know when we get to the beach. So there's some of the birds I was talking about hanging out here in the marsh. This is definitely tidal. Tide's going out. We're super close. Back there somewhere are the condos. I can see the back side of the beach bar. So we are merely steps away. If you just want to walk with me, we'll get there. So the beach bar is called Coco's, but you can see how fun this place is, just with all the fun Kellers. I'm sure they have great cocktails. As a matter of fact, I think they have a webcam here where we look at the surf, because those volleyball posts remind me of yeah, there it is up there. That's funny. Now I know. All right, here we go. We're at the beach. And we made it to the beach. Finally, from Hilton Head Resort. Got very gorgeous houses right here. Beachfront, have nothing to do with the resort. Just very expensive oceanfront houses. But that's it. That was a long walk. I'm tired. My watch thought I was taking an outdoor walk. But once you get here, man, the beach is beautiful. White sands, waves. This thing's filled with umbrellas and people. There is a beach shuttle that will take you back and forth on that boardwalk. It is unobstructed. You're not getting in your car, so there are definitely advantages to staying at the Hilton Head Resort or owning at the Hilton Head Resort. Is it the best beach house ever? Probably not, but it's a reasonable beach house. So that's it. You know what Hilton Head Resort looks like. You've seen Coco's behind me. you've been to the beach, we found the indoor swimming pool somehow. You've seen a unit there. You know everything there is to know. That's something you're interested in. I'm glad I could show it to you. Be happy to show it to you in person. Otherwise, thanks for watching. I will make another video and hopefully you watch that one. See ya.